Hello guys, I'm here once again. So I want to change the glass of my headlamp old. So you can see this is the new one I bought. You can see this one is too old, it doesn't see. This is the one I was using before, but this one drains my battery too much, so I want to change it. So I will be changing it now. An old blurry broken headlamp cover is dangerous for night movement. So keeping the machine clean and visible is the standard policy. In the next video, you will see how clean this fitting looks. So watch out for the final video.